Hello, it's Agent 006 here. What you're about to see in this video is my creation of this 3D printer Mobius mount, the various issues I've run along the way, and things like broken 3D prints and how you really remedy that in your design. Because when you're printing it tall, it's actually really hard to keep a good 3D print that won't break at the base and just make a mess out of everything. I should mention that I had to revise the entire mount so that I would stop having failed prints. So enjoy the rest of this video. Here's the intro. I hope you can spot the difference. Alright, in order for me to really illustrate this mount out correctly, I think I'll need a time machine. Okay, I have you in for a shot of the Mobius mount. You see right here, the Mobius is mounted with double stick tape in between this and the mount. And also with a zip tie. And the bottom here is mounted with an M3 screw. And the bottom of it sits really securely on this 3D printer end effector. And of course, there's kind of this fork here to allow for a double tubed Mobius mount. You know, USB to power the thing. You could also use it as a webcam in case you want to live capture all of your 3D prints, instead of using the memory card in the back. And if you don't want to use it as a webcam, you could just plug it in as power only into a phone charger or a more specialized USB plug. Let's try test print. Hello. I'm just going to make this a really short video because the main point of the Mobius mount in the first place is to shoot videos of 3D prints as I'm printing them. Also, because the point is to shoot videos, I've actually made about 200 gigabytes of just useless videos that I'm not going to include in here because they're all failed prints or they're just not very entertaining. And having a print over and over and over and over and over again, even with the fun sound effects and stuff, just kind of bores me. I want to make videos that are entertaining to me and hopefully entertaining to you. And because of that, I'm just going to limit it to one 3D print per video. One 3D print per 15-minute video. And that's just going to be my rule of thumb. Thank you very much for watching.